So what's the actual difference between a website and a landing page? One word, focus. Your website is designed for exploration. It's like a digital hub with menus, links, and multiple paths. Great for browsing, but not great for conversions. A landing page, on the other hand, is laser focused. One goal, one message, and one call to action. So here are the key differences between a website and a landing page. Website contains multiple web pages with navigation menu, while the landing page is a standalone page with limited distractions and navigations. In website, content is mostly informational, while on the landing page, content is mostly transactional, focuses around CTA designed to specific marketing goal. Websites are used for long form of online presence, while landing pages are tied to specific campaigns like product sale, lead generation, event sign up, etc. In websites, distractions are there, hence can dilute the focus of the visitor. While in landing pages, there are no distractions, so more focus. Think of a landing page as a one-way street. Visitors from email, social, or PPC ads are directed to a specific call to action as they take in the scenery, like your messaging, your testimonials, or features customized to that offer. While websites are most like roundabouts with multiple links and options that can distract from your offer. Visitors can get really stuck exploring a website not knowing exactly where to go next, meaning all those emails and pricey ad click-throughs to your offer have a way bigger chance of going to waste. So a focused landing page does not just guide your visitors, it gives you more control over your campaigns. So if you want more conversions from your traffic, start using landing pages.